the dynamic world of poultry farming, where waste management is paramount, there's a game-changing innovation on the horizon. Poultry farming facility, introducing the EDDY Pump, a revolutionary solution designed to reshape the way poultry farms handle waste and manage fluids. EDDY Pump features. This cutting-edge technology promises to address industry challenges and elevate poultry farming practices. Application of our slurry pumps in poultry farming. Discover how EDDY Pump technology is taking poultry waste management to the next level. Manure handling. Efficiently handle poultry manure with a high solids pump for better waste management. Waste and water management. Streamline waste and water management in poultry farming with the EDDY Pump. Cleaning and disinfection. Maintain a healthy bird environment with the help of slurry transport pumps for cleaning and disinfection. Biogas production. Unlock the potential of biogas production from poultry waste with the EDDY Pump. Feed handling. Handle feed mixtures containing liquid additives more efficiently with a high solids pump. Hydraulic dredging, but that's not all. The EDDY Pump also offers advanced hydraulic dredging solutions to meet the unique challenges of poultry farming. Lagoon or pond cleaning. Keep lagoons and retention ponds clean and efficient with hydraulic dredging technology. Water source maintenance. Maintain clean and accessible water sources with the help of hydraulic dredging equipment. Environmental compliance. Ensure compliance with environmental regulations by using hydraulic dredging to manage sediment buildup. Biogas digester. Maintenance. Keep biogas digesters operating at their best with hydraulic dredging for effluent and slurry management. Efficiency and sustainability meet at the heart of poultry farming with the EDDY Pump. Ready to elevate your poultry farming practices to new heights? Contact our experts today and embark on a new era of poultry waste management. We pump solids, not water.